Nestled in the heart of Europe, Luxembourg is a country that often gets overlooked. Don't let its small size fool you. This nation is brimming with charm, history, and breathtaking landscapes. From medieval castles perched on hillsides to verdant vineyards stretching as far as the eye can see, Luxembourg offers a unique blend of old-world charm and modern sophistication. Prepare to be captivated by its fairy tale-like beauty, welcoming atmosphere, and fascinating stories that have shaped its identity. Luxembourg boasts a rich history dating back centuries. Nestled in the heart of Europe, this small yet significant country has been a silent witness to the ebb and flow of European history. Its story is one of resilience, transformation, and cultural richness. Once a mighty fortress city, Luxembourg's strategic location made it a coveted prize for many empires. The fortress walls, still standing tall, are a testament to the city's military significance and the many battles fought to control it. Its strategic location at the crossroads of Europe has witnessed the rise and fall of empires. From the Romans to the Franks, and later the Spanish, French, and Austrians, each left an indelible mark on Luxembourg's landscape and culture. The country's past is etched into its very fabric, from the well-preserved fortifications to the grand palaces and charming cobblestone streets. Walking through Luxembourg is like flipping through the pages of a living history book, where every corner has a story to tell. Each stone has a tale to tell, whispering secrets of the past to those who listen. The ancient stones of the fortress walls speak of sieges and defenses, while the historic buildings narrate tales of prosperity and cultural evolution, each building a testament to a bygone era. The grand palaces, with their opulent architecture, reflect the wealth and power of the nobility that once ruled here. These structures stand as proud reminders of Luxembourg's royal heritage. Prepare to step back in time as you explore the layers of history that make Luxembourg so unique. Whether you're wandering through the old town, marveling at the fortifications, or taking a guided tour of the historic sites, you'll find yourself immersed in a rich tapestry of history and culture. Luxembourg is not just a place, it's an experience, a journey through time that leaves an indelible impression on all who visit. A Luxembourg city, the capital of this enchanting country, is a captivating blend of old and new. The city's UNESCO-listed Old Town is a labyrinth of narrow, winding streets lined with charming shops, cafes, and restaurants. Towering above it all is the impressive Grand Ducal Palace, the official residence of the Grand Duke of Luxembourg. Lose yourself in the city's historic charm, explore its hidden courtyards, and soak up the lively atmosphere. No visit to Luxembourg City is complete without venturing beneath the surface into the Bach casemates. These underground tunnels, carved into the rock beneath the city, offer a glimpse into Luxembourg's defensive past. Once used as shelters and storage spaces during times of war, the casemates are now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Wander through the dimly lit corridors, imagine the lives of those who sought refuge within their walls, and marvel at the ingenuity of their construction. Echoes of the past. Echternach's enduring legacy. This picturesque town, with its cobblestone streets and ancient architecture, tells a story that spans centuries. Each building, each corner whispers tales of a bygone era, inviting visitors to step back in time and experience the rich tapestry of history that Echternach has to offer. Venture beyond the capital city to discover the charming town of Echternach. Nestled in the heart of Luxembourg, this quaint town is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. Its scenic beauty, combined with its historical significance, makes it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking both relaxation and a deep dive into the past. This historic town is also renowned for its unique dancing procession, a UNESCO-recognized tradition that takes place every year on Whit Tuesday. This event is not just a celebration, it's a living tradition that has been passed down through generations. The dancing procession is a vibrant display of community spirit, faith, and cultural continuity, drawing participants and spectators from all over the world. Witness the rhythmic steps of thousands of pilgrims as they make their way through the streets, a testament to the enduring power of faith and tradition. The synchronized movements, the harmonious chants, and the collective energy of the participants create an atmosphere of unity and reverence. This procession is more than just a ritual. It's a profound expression of the town's identity and its unwavering commitment to preserving its heritage for future generations. Nature's embrace, Luxembourg's scenic splendor. While Luxembourg may be small in size, it is big on natural beauty. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and immerse yourself in the tranquility of its picturesque landscapes. Hike through dense forests, cycle along winding rivers, or explore the rolling hills dotted with vineyards. Discover hidden waterfalls, admire breathtaking views from hilltop castles, and reconnect with nature in this serene and captivating country. Luxembourg takes you on a culinary journey. No exploration of a new destination is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Luxembourg's culinary scene is a delightful fusion of French, German, and Belgian influences, creating a unique and flavorful experience. Savor hearty traditional dishes like jud mat gardebunen, which is smoked pork collar with broad beans, or boneschlup, a green bean soup. Indulge in freshly baked pastries, sample local wines from the Moselle Valley, and experience the true flavors of Luxembourg. Explore the picturesque towns, venture beyond the well-trodden paths, and discover the hidden gems of Luxembourg's countryside. Each town and village has its own unique character and charm, waiting to be uncovered. Explore the medieval streets of Vianden, dominated by its imposing castle perched high above the town. Wander through the picturesque streets of Clairvaux, home to the impressive Family of Man photography exhibition. Each destination offers a glimpse into the heart and soul of Luxembourg. A Moselle sunset is a memory to cherish. As the sun begins its descent, make your way to the banks of the Moselle River. The journey itself is a prelude to the beauty that awaits. The gentle breeze carries the scent of blooming flowers, and the sound of rustling leaves accompanies your every step. Find a peaceful spot, sit back, and witness nature's spectacle unfold before your eyes. The riverbank offers a perfect vantage point where you can lose yourself in the mesmerizing play of light and shadow. The gentle lapping of the water against the shore creates a soothing symphony, inviting you to relax and unwind. The sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues, painting the river with strokes of gold, orange, and purple. Each moment is a masterpiece as the colors shift and blend, creating a breathtaking panorama that seems almost surreal. The reflection of the sunset on the water adds an extra layer of magic, doubling the beauty before your eyes. The air is filled with a sense of tranquility as the day draws to a close. The hustle and bustle of daily life fade away, replaced by a profound sense of peace. The chirping of birds returning to their nests and the distant hum of evening activities create a harmonious backdrop to this serene setting. This is a moment of pure magic, a memory to cherish long after you've left Luxembourg. The Moselle River at sunset is not just a sight to behold, but an experience that touches the soul. It reminds us of the simple yet profound beauty of nature and the importance of taking a moment to appreciate the world around us. As you sit by the river, let the colors of the sunset wash over you and carry this memory with you, a cherished reminder of the beauty that exists in every corner of the world. Embrace Luxembourg's hidden charms. Luxembourg is a country full of surprises, a place where you can stumble upon hidden gems around every corner. Discover a quaint cafe tucked away in a cobblestone street, stumble upon a local festival bursting with music and color, or find yourself lost in the beauty of a hidden garden. Embrace the unexpected, be open to new experiences, and let Luxembourg work its magic on you. Explore Luxembourg and beyond. Luxembourg is a destination that will stay with you long after you've said goodbye. Its blend of history, culture, and natural beauty creates an experience that is both captivating and unforgettable. So why not start planning your adventure today? Discover the hidden gem of Luxembourg and let it be the starting point for your European explorations. There's a world of wonder waiting to be discovered, one charming town and breathtaking landscape at a time.